Josh Ladd from Feral Cuisine. This is Daisy, and she just wanted to say hi. We're making real foods for real dudes, and today's real food is gonna be chicken mole poblano. First of all, thank you so much to Ben Randall from the podcast In the Weeds. He had me on his show about a week or two ago. He sent me a frickin' knife set. Look at this. The dude just like sent me this stuff. Good. Ooh, I just love the sound of knives when they come out from there. The Santoku. Just love knives. Ben Randall, thank you so freaking much. Everybody else out there, listen to the In the Weeds podcast. He talks about being a chef in Chicago, and he talks about all kinds of stuff food related. He and his co-host, Stephen Cadwell, entertaining as hell. Everybody should listen to their show. One more shout out to Cooks Illustrated. I love getting it. It's really exciting whenever I get it in the mail. All the recipes have just been tested again and again and again. My chicken mole poblano that I'm going to be making today, that is from Cooks Illustrated. An article by Andrew Janjigian. Andrew Janjigian. I know that I'm probably totally butchering your name. So thank you so much for this recipe. I'm really excited to try it. One other thing that you probably do need for this whole recipe that not everybody might have, a food processor. This one is a Cuisinart. If you can afford it, then I think it's a really, really nice thing to have around the kitchen. I don't use it every day, but there's certain times whenever it's pretty much indispensable. I'm not receiving any money from them at all. I just like their product. Let's get going. Ancho chilies, chicken stock, raisins, onion, garlic, chipotles, almonds, bread, sesame seeds, cinnamon, cumin, unsweetened chocolates. Step one, we want to toast the ancho chilies. This can be done really easily and quickly in a microwave. Combine those seeded anchos and a quarter cup of raisins and a cup of chicken stock. Microwave it until it's steaming. It'll take maybe about 2 minutes. There we go. And I'll let that rest for about 5 minutes. Off. Good off, Daisy. Well, it talks like a jug, but it could eat you with a fork and spoon. Next up, the processing. Let's get the onions and the garlic and the chipotle in there, along with the anchos and the raisins in here. Hang on to the liquid, you'll be using a little bit of it later. Trust the process. You'll probably need to scrape off the big stuff that gets on the sides. You're so smooth. Next up, add a little bit of vegetable or olive oil, the bread, the almonds, the spices, and a little bit of that liquid. Now just process it again until it's smooth. All those chopped onions straight to my eyes. Alright, we're back. So the paste is nice and smooth. Next step is going to be frying it a little bit. His name was always Buddy. Just an ounce of chocolate. The chocolate is fully melted. I'll toss it into the oven for about a half hour and stir it a couple of times during that. Ooh. Looks a lot like good chili. Mix in another cup of stock and the rest of the liquid that we soaked the anchos and the raisins in. Just toss all that in there. Making some tortillas over here. If you watch the bonus video, then I show you how to make tortillas. It's really easy. I'm gonna toss in my big old skillet of onions and peppers and chicken that I got back here. I'm just gonna dump that all into my chicken and peppers over here. There we go. Hey babe.
Hey Josh.
Can you help me scrape this out real quick? Make sure you're not burning your tortillas terribly. Let me give you a closer look at this mole. Yeah, check that out. Is that a goat? So I got just my homemade corn tortilla here. Put a little bit of the mole mixture on there. A little squirt of lime. And a little bit of cilantro. Tell me that is not beautiful. Juliana, you want to help me out with this? I'm pretty happy with that.
I'm going to take this.
I'm Josh Ladd. This is Feral Cuisine. I just made mole poblano tacos. I hope you make them yourself because I think this is pretty fantastic.
You got some food on your chin.
Signing off. See you later.
Just a man tapped into the dream man is gonna give you his forever too true promise with his hand.